Think about the friction inherent in solving a complex problem, like furnishing a living room, using the traditional internet. You type in a query and navigate a gauntlet of articles designed purely to capture search traffic. This reveals the limits of search engine optimization, or SEO, which is the practice of structuring web pages specifically to rank higher in search results. Once on a retail site, you have to sort through a rigid hierarchy, clicking from a living room tab down to stationary sofas and finally over to recliners. This entire digital infrastructure was built for human clicks and exact keyword matching. It relies on the user to do the manual labor of sorting and filtering, a paradigm that is rapidly becoming obsolete. The catalyst for this change has already arrived. Google recently deployed a core update that actively targeted this exact kind of gamified, low-quality web architecture. This chart shows the scale of the impact. 45% of low-quality, unoriginal content was wiped from search results almost instantly. The era of gaming search engines with scaled spam is dead. This vacuum has paved the way for a completely new type of digital navigation. Users have moved beyond searching for blue links to conversing directly with an AI intermediary. Instead of typing, you can now use visual inputs, snapping a photo of a room and having the system analyze the entire space at once. This is driven by a concept called query fanout, powered by Gemini and AI Mode. Gemini is a suite of advanced multimodal AI models built to understand text, images, and audio. AI Mode is an AI-powered conversational search experience within Google Search. Query fanout is a technique where a single prompt breaks down into many distinct parallel searches. This illustrates the mechanics of the fanout technique. The AI acts as a brain, taking a single image and instantly triggering dozens of simultaneous searches to identify the rug, the lamp, and the couch all at once. The AI synthesizes these final results directly for the user. It bypasses the need to ever visit a store's traditional navigation menu. This shift extends into spatial queries through the Ask Maps feature. Rather than browsing a local store directory, you can ask a complex question, like requesting a spot with a cozy aesthetic and a table for four. To generate a customized answer, Ask Maps uses Gemini to instantly cross-reference data from over 300 million places and 500 million reviews. This data is layered over a real-world 3D view using immersive navigation, making the AI the primary interactive layer over the business. Digital maps have transformed into active decision engines that make choices on the user's behalf. AI is also breaking down historical data silos between different applications through personal intelligence. It's a system that securely connects the dots across private apps to provide uniquely relevant responses. Gemini securely references data across platforms, connecting info from your Gmail receipts and your Google Photos library. If it knows you bought shoes, it recommends a matching bag instantly, without the user providing any context. By anticipating needs based on isolated historical data, the AI makes traditional, user-initiated product discovery obsolete. The AI intermediary is now the ultimate curator. It reads the internet so the human user doesn't have to. The AI intermediary now serves as the primary gateway to your business, replacing the traditional website. If your data relies on standard SEO, static category pages, or manual human clicks, your business is effectively invisible to these new intermediaries. Survival in this ecosystem requires companies to rebuild their back-end infrastructure. Data must now be structured and optimized specifically for AI comprehension, rather than for human visual navigation. This new, deeply integrated data ecosystem requires advanced AI-driven open-source security, like Big Sleep and Alpha Omega. Big Sleep is an AI-powered tool from Google DeepMind designed to autonomously find and fix exploitable vulnerabilities in software code. The Alpha Omega project is a collaborative initiative aimed at improving the security of open-source software supply chains. Adapt your digital presence to converse clearly and securely with AI models, or face extinction in the new internet.